Slavery in America needs to be abolished. These are photos and drawings of the horrid things that have happened and are happening now. There's a poor family that lives with 20 people in a one-room shack. There's people being chained like dogs. There's men and women being beaten and brutally beaten over again. This is not the way to treat a human being. Africans were captured, put on cargo boats, and shipped to America and the West Indies on the triangular trade. The triangular trade was a trade route that ran from Europe to Africa to the America and the West Indies. This trade route was started by the Spanish in the 1500s. They also made African slaves when they discovered North America. Africans were sold to another human being at auctions for money or gold or guns or some type of trade. They were treated poorly, forced to work without pay or rights. They were forced to work like this. Then their children were also forced to work like this. No human being should have to endure this. Africans enslaved other Africans and sold them to the Europeans. The Europeans gave them guns and gold. Conditions on slave boats were harsh. There was no food, no water, dirty air, and it was very, very cramped. Many people died of suffocation from dirty air, and many people starved to death. Once these people died, there was no burial, and the bodies were not taken care of. They were left with the other humans in the middle of the boat. This caused disease and death. I am an abolitionist. I believe for equal rights for all people, no matter what race. I think that slavery needs to be abolished now. It is inhumane and it is not fit for human life. People do not deserve to be treated like this. Southern plantation owners need to hire people. Even if it is Africans, they need to be paid, they need rights, and they are not property.